Hello， 歡迎大家嚟到我哋呢一個第一屆嘅心福年度藝術比賽暨展覽。我哋係今日嘅司儀，我係柏林。
Hello everyone, this is Bernice. Welcome to SAMFA's first annual award presentation ceremony.
SAMFA 咧喺2015年8月正式註冊成為香港嘅慈善機構，咁致力提升香港人嘅心理健康。我哋嘅使命咧係為香港提供促進社會對心理健康嘅活動啦，服務唔同嘅年齡層，透過凝聚唔同界別嘅專家，為大眾服務。
SAMFA was established last year in August as a registered charitable organization in Hong Kong. It aims to serve the community for better psychological advancement. We promote and enhance the importance of non-academic curriculum for the benefit of children, teenagers, adults, and the elderly, and enhance the community's awareness of importance of psychological health. We gather professionals from different fields. We hold and participate in charitable activities to promote equal opportunity and serve the community. Finally, we promote and enhance the community's awareness of importance and benefits of cohabitation with nature and animals in our society.
咁我哋咧 SAMFA 整個嘅團隊都係由一群熱心嘅義工組成嘅。咁成員咧就包括商界嘅領袖啦、大學教授、創意嘅工作者同埋大學生等等嘅。咁我哋大家都係為着提升市民嘅心理健康呢個共同嘅理念一齊凝聚埋一齊嘅，同心為香港嘅社會出一分力。
SAMFA is formed by a group of kind-hearted volunteers. Our members include professors and teachers, business leaders and professionals, artists, parents, and university students, etc. All of us are committed to serve the community.
而我哋今年嘅年度獎賞亦有幸得到城中一眾名人鼎力支持，包括 SAMFA 嘅健康大使徐淑敏，以及余安安、薛凱琪、孫軒、陳奐仁、廖碧儀、江美儀、杜小琪小姐等等，為我哋拍攝今次嘅宣傳短片嘅。
SAMFA believes communion in harmony with animals and nature, promotes a positive and healthy mind, theme respect life, stop animal abuse. Our first annual award encourages reflection and expression of a relationship with the nature through art and have received a few hundreds of paintings. We have gained support from many celebrities, proving that the aims of SAMFA's mission matches the needs of our society, including SAMFA's health ambassador Suki Choi, Candace Yu, Fiona Sit, Jessica Soon, Hanjin Tan, Bernice Liu, Elena Kong, and To Siu Q, etc. They have participated in our promotional video.
我哋今日嘅活動咧，亦都務求將尊重生命嘅信息推廣至唔同嘅年齡層，令呢個珍貴嘅信息進一步宣揚開去。而今日咧，我哋亦都邀請到駐港嘅泰國領事 Mr. Canton 及多位泰國嘅明星，以及我哋嘅專業評審著名嘅畫家錢迪禮小姐、Eddie Sir 同淡定哥，仲有我哋嘅杜小喬小姐啦、龍永彤小姐、莫海謙先生為我哋頒獎、分享及表演嘅。
Through this event, we hope to promote the positive message of respect life to all generations. Today, we are so grateful to have invited Thai consulate Mr. Kanton and celebrities from Thailand, many judges including Delia Chin and Eddie Sir and Dan Ngo, Ms. Tosi Q, Ms. Bella Lam, and Mr. Gio Mark to have some sharing and performance for us.
咁我哋 SAMFA 咧作為一個新成立嘅機構啦，因為咧我哋未有公開籌款嘅資格啊，所以咧我哋過去2年所有嘅活動都係由2位創辦人墊資出嚟嘅 ，sorry 係1年啊，係啦，最後咧我哋 SAMFA 嘅努力都係冇白費到嘅，因為我哋可以得到鄭鄭會計師事務所成為我哋嘅熱心贊助商，為我哋今次嘅活動捐出10萬蚊去支持我哋嘅，真係多謝鄭鄭會計師事務所啊！咁而鄭鄭會計師事務所咧係一間擁有25年嘅歷史本地會計樓，由2位兄弟鄭康琪同埋鄭康祥先生成立嘅。25年嚟一路默默耕耘發展至今，本地已經超過200多位員工，內地加埋超過300多位員工，係一個非常優秀嘅本地會計師樓，而且一路善心慈善。所以多謝佢哋慈善嘅基金之外，亦都多謝佢哋支持我哋心福嘅慈善基金。我哋俾啲掌聲，多謝鄭鄭會計師事務所。
Sanfa is a newly established organization. The whole team is formed by volunteers. Due to some regulation, we're still not qualified to apply for government funding or hold public fundraising events. All the past events are solely financed by our two founders. However, Sanfa's effort is finally seen. We received a $100,000 sponsorship from Chan & Chan Limited, certified public accountants for this event. Chan & Chan Limited is a local accounting firm which has a long history background of 25 years. It is founded by Chan's brothers, Mr. Angie Chan and Mr. Francis Chan. They have been working hard for the past 25 years. Till now, they have more than 200 employees in Hong Kong, while more than 300 employees, including ones from mainland China. They have deeply engaged in philanthropy experience. They have their own charity, and at the same time, they show great support to Sanfa.
而我哋 Sanfa 咧，亦都好多謝咁多個合作嘅機構啦，同我哋一齊合作嘅。所以我哋 Sanfa 咧想借今次嘅機會多謝佢哋。而我哋 Sanfa 一路都有同泰國有緊合嘅密切聯繫，而我哋好多謝泰國嘅攝製團隊 Fold 82 Studio 為我哋嘅短片附上字幕同埋特效嘅。我哋有請 Fold 82 Studio 嘅代表為我哋攞獎嘅。
Okay, Sanfa has been in a close working relationship with Thailand. We would like to express our gratitude to our Thai supporting studio, Fold 82 Studio, for helping us with video special effects and adding translation into Thai subtitles. Let's invite a representative from Fold 82 Studio, Mr. J, to come on stage to receive a certificate of appreciation from our guest of honor, Ms. Bella Lam. Mr. J and Ms. Bella Lam, please.
我哋有請 Fold 82 Studio J 先生同埋上台接受我哋頒獎嘉賓林詠彤小姐上台頒發獎狀，以表致謝嘅。我哋熱烈嘅掌聲，多謝 Fold 82 Studio。好，唔該晒 J。Bella 請留步，係啦，唔該晒。
係啊 ，Bella 啊，咁不如我哋即係分享下啦，因為咧啱啱你就做咗一套戲啦，咁啊城寨英雄，咁咧陰陰呢個角色咧就好深入民心喎，即係我哋個個觀眾都睇得好激動啦，因為陰陰個老豆爛到浮衰啦，即係成日即係為錢咩都做得出喎，咁不過陰陰咧同時又即係好熱實即係好落力咁做嘢啊、學習啊咁樣，係啦，咁你覺得你自己同陰陰咧會唔會經歷啊或者心態上面都好似㗎？
其實我細個嘅經歷咧就冇陰陰咁悲慘嘅，咁但係本身我自己都係單親家庭長大啦，咁就媽咪就獨力湊大我啦，所以細個都會從小已經有一種要保護媽咪嘅心態，咁同陰陰要保護佢爸爸都有少少相似嘅。
咁會唔會即係點？你覺得係啲咩驅使即係陰陰會咁正面呢？係啦，即係你會唔會有啲咩都想同大家分享下？即係係咯，即係會點樣正面去面對一啲挫折咁樣咧？
其實陰陰無論遇到咩事都咁正面，係因為佢抱住個信念，即係佢爸爸對佢嚟講好緊要啦。咁我覺得大家都係啦，即係無論壓力幾大嘅時候，都俾啲時間自己靜一靜，諗下點解會有壓力呢？當初做呢件事個初衷係乜嘢呢？咁冷靜咗自己，思考翻原意，咁就可以減低壓力，繼續去努力啦。
好，唔該晒 Bella。好，唔該晒。我哋俾熱烈掌聲 Bella 為我哋做一個分享嘅。接住落嚟咧，我哋亦都會有一個表演嘅喎。
別再做情人，做隻貓，做隻狗，不做情人。
咦，阿 Benlis， 咦做咩咁好唱口啊？有掌聲喎，我聽到。
哦，多謝。其實咧係為咗介紹我哋接下嚟嘅嘉賓。係啦，咁佢以前咧其實喺電視台一個節目啦，《殘酷一丁》咧就參賽啦。咁呢首係佢其中一個擂台嘅參選歌曲嚟嘅喎。係啦，咁咧其實佢7歲就出道啦，佢又唱歌啦，又識做戲，咁啊仲好熱心啦，因為成日都出席好多慈善嘅表演咁樣嘅喎。
好，所以咧佢就係我哋人稱莫生嘅莫海謙先生。今日咧佢會為我哋帶來2首歌嘅。好，咁我不如俾你介紹下啦。
Hello， 大家好，我係莫海謙。咁我今日首先會送俾大家嘅歌呢，係可能大家認得翻莫海謙嘅一首歌。呢首歌叫做《今天只做一件事》，希望你哋中意。 少空間，因此花一天支配一切時間。發覺這世界永遠太嘥心機，因此花一天思索一切道理，消失太快，捉得到太少，因此花一天擁抱一切是愛，茫茫人海，或有幾多漂泊與掩蓋，人人尋找愛，或有幾多爭鬥與比賽，越覺得剩低幾多未變的愛。慢慢地合作新詩，靜靜地同床午睡，再發現歲月換來幾次厭悶，幾多親愛，有各樣結災和充滿意外，因此我要努力繼續能戀愛。慢慢地邁向聽朝，靜靜地懷念昨日，再決定今天只要相信愛。叫皺紋散開，換青春歸來，因此我喜歡花一天，感覺一切是愛。發覺這世界永遠太少深刻，因此花一天改變一切習慣。發覺這世界永遠太多蹺蹊，因此花一天擁有一切運氣，消失太快，捉得到太少，因此花一天感覺一切是愛，茫茫人海，或有幾多漂泊與掩蓋，人人尋找愛，或有幾多爭鬥與比賽，越覺得剩低幾多未變的愛。慢慢地合唱 K 歌，靜靜地同遊網上，再發現歲月換來幾次厭悶，幾多親愛，有各樣結災和充滿意外，因此我要努力繼續能戀愛。慢慢地合作新詩，靜靜地同床午覺，再決定今天只要相信愛。要皺紋散開，換青春歸來，因此我喜歡花一天，感覺一切是愛。喜歡花一天，跟你一切是愛。希望你中意呢首《今天只做一件事》，Thank you。好，咁以下落嚟呢，我就要可能 set 部琴啦，因為以下落嚟我將會自彈自唱一首應該大家都好熟悉嘅歌，而呢一首歌嘅意義亦都係非常之大嘅。呢首歌係嚟自坤哥嘅《陽光點的歌》。我想問在場嘅人係咪都識唱呢首歌㗎？識唱嘅可唔可以揮揮手啊 ？Hello， 咁就希望你哋可以同我一齊完成呢首歌，好嗎？好，咁就需要少少時間去 set 啲 equipment 先。大家聽到個琴聲啊？好，可以高多少少。好，唔該晒，我哋俾啲掌聲呢位 technician 哥哥好唔好 ？Thank you。好，以下落嚟送俾大家《陽光點的歌》，希望你中意。 青春眼睛，心裏有熱情，這裏有共鳴，再錯都有人聆聽，微風吹讓得你更率性，滿肚理想嗎？別人罵你不清醒，你越要更大聲，我呼應一齊啦喎。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4這是陽光點的歌，這是微風點的歌，紀念曾經這麼青春過。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4以後危險這麼多，以後難關這麼多，慶幸曾經這麼天真過，至少你跟我。世界複雜都不敢細數，開網絡地圖不見有名圖，照顧好禮儀談吐，微風吹沒幾句我知道，怕我老幾歲便無力這麼風騷，痛着笑，笑着哭，到蒼老。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4這是陽光點的歌，這是微風點的歌，紀念曾經這麼青春過。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4以後危險這麼多，以後難關這麼多，慶幸曾經這麼簡單過。記得最初大城埋沒我的聲線，得你豎了你耳朵，也因此我吶喊不敢怠慢，歲月無多。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4唱着無拘束的歌，唱着無修飾的歌，慶幸曾經這麼簡單過。I say 1, 2, 3, 4 You say 1, 2, 3, 4以後危險這麼多，以後難關這麼多，慶幸曾經這麼簡單過，至少你跟我。Thank you， 希望你中意陽光點的歌。
好，唔該晒莫生，
好
我哋演出
thank
嘅，
you
介唔介意同你傾幾句啊？
可以啊，可以啊。
好啊，其實咧我都知你讀緊書啦，或者你一啲生活上咧，你會面對到一啲負面嘅能量啊，
係
或者一啲唔如意嘅事情嘅喎。咁你會唔會透過啲咩途徑去抒發啊？或者你有冇啲感想可以同我哋分享下咁咧？
其實負面情緒同埋壓力咧，我哋一個大學生啦都一定會有嘅。咁
係
而我選擇抒發嘅途徑就一定係音樂啦。咁
係
譬如可能唱下歌啊，或者玩下音樂咁樣，都可以幫助到我去講嘢。因為音樂係一種語言咧，係世界都通行嘅。
個個都中意嘅。
係啊，咁透過音樂可以將自己一啲可能覺得好辛苦啊、好負面嘅嘢都可以放得低，咁係一個好好嘅方法。咁大家都可以試下呢樣嘢。
OK，咁你有冇啲咩夢想啊，或者目標想將來達成咁呢？
咁嚟緊都會想係繼續唱落去啦，不論幾時都唔好俾自己去停。咁即使有壓力嘅情況之下都好，咁都希望會繼續努力唱落去啦。
好啊，多謝晒你
，thank you，多謝。
好多謝晒莫生為我哋獻出咗表演咗2首嘅歌曲啊！熱烈掌聲，多謝佢。咁我哋接住落嚟咧，就唔好俾佢停啦。我哋今次活動搞得咁成功啦，我哋一個畫展啦，見到側邊咧有好多幅畫啦，幾百幅畫， 而我哋呢啲畫咧都係全賴兩間嘅學校全力協助參與收畫嘅過程，最後再交俾我哋嘅協會。佢哋嘅的確功不可沒啊！而第一間咧就係 Glenn Thomas Theatre School 為我哋提供場地幫手收畫嘅。
We are here to express our greatest gratitude to two schools. They both helped to collect paintings for this event. Glenn Thomas provided venue for us. Mr. Thomas even worried about some participants may lose their chance for enrolling into this event. He went to post office to help them to hand in the remaining post fee. So without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Glenn Thomas to come on stage to receive a certificate of appreciation from John.
所以咧，而家我哋
John？
有請 Mr.
From John
Glenn Thomas
and
到
Thomas
台上接受心福慈善基金創辦人之一楊成安先生頒發 Sanfa 嘅感謝狀。係啊 ，Mr. Thomas 咧，仲因為擔心我哋參加者失去機會啊，特登去郵局咧拎一啲欠郵費嘅作品啊，實在非常之有心啊！好，我哋再俾啲熱烈掌聲，多謝 Mr. Thomas。
John, please stay on the stage, please.
好 ，John 請留步啊，唔該晒 Mr. Thomas。另外咧我哋仲有另一間畫室嘅喎，就係 Art Venture， 佢亦都帶領佢哋嘅學生參與，亦都為我哋提供好多寶貴嘅意見。
Besides, Art Venture also guide the students to join Sanfa's first annual award and at the same time offer a lot of precious opinion. So welcome Ms. Maggie To.
係，多謝杜小姐。係，好，俾啲熱烈掌聲。好，唔該晒杜小姐。
Okay, thank you, John. Please be seated.
OK。大家有冇睇到我哋側邊一啲畫展啊？其實咧有兩幅好大幅咧，就係余安安啦同埋徐淑敏係啦，佢哋嘅畫嚟嘅。咁咧以下落嚟咧，我哋亦都有一個表演者為我哋表演嘅喎。咁咧除咗佢係我哋 Sanfa 嘅活動策劃副總裁之一之外，介紹佢仲可以用3個 C 字嚟形容嘅。第一個 C 字，我問下 Bernice， 你知唔知道係咩咧？
聽講佢係一個土木工程師嚟喎。
梗係啦，你有稿噶嘛，你梗係知道啦。而佢第二個 C 咁又係咩咧？
佢亦都係一個培訓師。
OK， 咁第3個 C 咧就可以問下我哋現場觀眾啦。第3個 C 係更加厲害啦，因為佢係同接住落嚟嘅表演有關嘅。大家有冇人知道佢係咩 C 咧？我聽到有啲答案喎。係啊，佢就係魔術師啊！有請我哋鄭文浩先生 Roman。
Our next performance of Vice President, he is not only chartered civil engineer and professional trainer, but also our Sanfa's dedicated magician. He is also the founder of tolearnmagic.com. Let's give a big hand to welcome our magician.
好，有請為我哋表演魔術嘅。
各位好，我係 Roman 啦，羅馬先生。咁今日見大家咁開心，我送首音樂俾大家先啊。好。麻煩咪 stand， 咪 stand 走咗喎 ，OK， 唔該。好，然後咧邀請靚女助手 Aness 出嚟，同我準備預備可以播音樂啦。係，大家你好，得你可以翻去啦 ，OK， 唔該晒。好，係啦，大家中意可以俾掌聲啊！個嘢咧， 好啦，係咁多先啦，好嘛？好，唔該。好啦，咁跟住咧就係真係正式嚟個魔術環節啦。好，擺一擺呢個先。啊，靚女同我攞翻先好冇？係啦，唔該。唔該晒 Vanessa。好，跟住咧呢個咪聲咧我就交翻俾工作人員。唔該。好啦，好。咁就等先啦，擺一擺先。好，咁就邀請個觀眾先啊，睇下先有邊個靚女啊？呢度有個靚女喎啊，不如你方唔方便啊？幫幫手好唔好啊？好，好，有冇咪啊？都俾支咪佢喎，如果有我。好，你揸一揸先，係啦嗱 ，Samantha 啊，揸住啊 ，OK， 好好好，咁啊靚女你好，你點稱呼啊
？Melody。
Melody 你好，俾啲掌聲啊 Melody 啦，係。好啦，阿 Melody 啦，咁咧你今日就唔知點解嚟到呢度啦，咁但係今日個主題咧都話係咩啊？
慈善嘅，我知道。
慈善嘅係咪？同埋係愛護動物啦，同埋導致呢個。
珍惜生命。
係啦，冇錯啦。咁咧就你自己有冇養開動物咁㗎？
有啊有啊。
你養咩動物？
我有2隻狗。
兩隻狗有冇帶嚟啊？
帶唔到嚟。
帶唔到嚟，哦，咁幾好啊！咁即係揾啱人啦。好，咁又我今日想同你玩一個魔術，咁我哋企呢個位先，俾魔術。好啦，咁跟住咧就可以呢個就可以俾一俾你先啦又。好，唔該唔該。好啦，咁就嗱呢度有副啤牌啦 ，OK。好，有副啤牌，我攞出嚟先。咁咧。就睇下啦，嗱，俾大家睇啦，張張都唔同嘅，係咪 ？OK， 好，咁就咧，我而家洗一洗牌先啦。OK， 好，你隨便咧喺呢度咧攞一張你自己中意，中間攞一張中意，係啦，係你睇一睇佢，睇一睇，然後俾埋其他觀眾睇，得唔得 ？OK 嘛，好，係啦，唔好俾我睇，得未？好，麻煩你擺翻落嚟呢度。記得啦嘛，係啦，一定要記得。好，咁就咧嗱，通常咧你哋睇魔術咧，就通常魔術師做表演㗎係嘛？咁其實今日唔係㗎，今日因為呢個主題咧係動物咧，所以我帶咗個助手喺度，佢哋好靜瞓緊覺嘅其實嚇。咁而家叫佢起身先啦，起身先。好，企得好 ，OK 嚇你咁開心做咩？係啦，等先，你食咗晏未啊？啊未啊 ？OK， 俾啲嘢食你先。啊，你都俾啲嘢食㗎啦，啊俾啲嘢食。啊 ，OK， 好，唔該晒，非常好。好咧，咁咧其實咧佢好犀利嘅喎，呢一隻咧係一個經過訓練嘅我叫阿肥啊，其實咁咧佢就可以咧幫我手參與呢個環節嘅喎。OK， 好，咁咧就嗱 ，OK， 嗱你之後揀咗一張啤牌啦，咁就咧佢咧就試下揾你張啤牌出嚟，得唔得？咁咧佢係特異功能嘅，佢而家 feel 下啦，睇先嚇。如果你見到跌咗落去，你話俾我聽喎，我唔知嘅喎。係 OK， 好，再嚟一次。等先，佢需要聞一聞你啲味道嘅，其實聞多次，好嘛 ？OK， 得，好。睇先，有未啊？未有。未有啊 ？OK， 咁即係暫時你係咪鼻塞啊？今日如果死咗可能鼻塞喎，不過唔緊要。OK， 睇先啊，聞一聞先。有一張，你嗰張係咪紅色㗎？係紅色嘅 ，OK 嗱，你唔好睇住啊，佢唔係好 sure 嘅。我俾觀眾睇先，係咪呢張？唔係邊張？OK， 唔緊要，真係鼻塞可能啊，唔緊要。你再俾人聞啦。其實你今日係咪搽咗啲香水嗰啲啊？都係啊。哎呀，咁樣啊，可能死佢敏感嘅對香水。OK， 再嚟聞多次先。OK， 喂，大鑊咯，張都唔係嘅喂，死啦大鑊，都未係啊？有反轉咗 ，OK， 得，再嚟啊！喂，咁噶你？喂，大鑊啦！佢聞到一張好特別嘅味道喎，睇咩嚟先？咦，係咪紅色㗎？真係 ？OK， 大家記唔記得係咩嚟㗎？記唔記得？
有公仔嘅。
大聲嗌出嚟好嘛？唔知係咪喎？係咩嚟㗎？係咪街磚嘅嚟㗎？街磚嚟嘅，單數嘅，係咪？好，呢啲張睇唔知係咪呢張咧？嚇？唔係呢張咩？係邊隻？我揾俾你睇。你揾俾我睇，真係俾我睇。死啦！真係跌鬼咗喎，原來。嚇？即係我可以睇啊。好就係啊！你睇係咪喺度？應該係呢張嘅喎，唔係呢張啊？唔係呢張。不過唔緊要，呢個咧係第一次咧訓練咧未夠家咧，所以佢失咗手啫。係啦，咁啊俾掌聲啊靚女。OK， 好多謝大家。咁啊，今日玩住咁多先，咁啊夜啲再同大家玩過啊。OK， 多謝大家。
好。
唔係呢張，
我幫手執下啲啤牌先。 好。咁
泰国那领事到了，
係
是不是啊？我要看那个泰国領事嘛，泰國領事到了。
好。咦？咁我哋係咪邀請佢上台？好，我哋再俾一次熱烈掌聲，多謝我哋 Roman 為我哋表演嘅魔術表演啦。好，咁今日咧，我哋亦都好開心啦，得到駐港泰國嘅領事嚟到我哋呢一個地方 ，Mr. Canton。咁咧，我哋亦都有啲場地嘅合作伙伴想多謝佢嘅，所以而家我哋接咗落嚟係頒發獎品感謝狀嘅時間。
We would also like to thank Lanham for its valuable support to offer us this wonderful venue. May we now invite a representative from Lanham, Ms. Maggie Aoyern and Mr. Derek Mock, and Mr. Canton to receive a certificate of my appreciation. Ms. Maggie Aoyern and Mr. Derek Mock.
我哋多謝咧朗豪坊為我哋提供呢一個場地，所以我哋有請朗豪坊嘅代表莫兆明先生同埋歐陽漢玉小姐，同泰國領事 Mr. Canton 為我哋頒發感謝狀嘅，以表致謝嘅。我哋俾啲掌聲，多謝朗豪坊為我哋提供場地。好。
Okay,
好，唔該晒
please be
Mr.
seated.
Canton。好，接住落嚟咧，我哋亦都感謝《都市日報》一直以嚟好支持我哋心福慈善基金。
Metro Daily have been showing great support to SEMFA. We would like to invite representatives from Metro Daily to come on stage to receive a certificate of appreciation from the co-organizer of SEMFA. Mr. John Young, Jeff and John, please.
好，我哋有請《都市日報》嘅代表阿 Jeff 上台，同埋阿 John 為我哋頒發感謝狀，以表致謝。再俾一次熱烈掌聲，多謝《都市日報》。好，唔該晒。
Please be seated. Thank you.
好，咁我哋唔好俾佢停啊！我哋去到我哋今日嘅頒獎環節啦。咁咧，我哋今日嘅獎總共有4個嘅，而且有一個綜合咁多4個嘅大獎，分別就係3個嘅亞軍同1個總冠軍嘅。而我哋嘅獎品咧，就係由樂視為我哋提供3份嘅亞軍獎品，就係樂視超級手機同埋連1年超級影視會員會籍。而我哋冠軍咧就會得到由 SEMFA 送出嘅50寸智能電視1部嘅獎品，真係非常之豐富啊！而呢4位嘅得獎者亦都非常之厲害啊，因為咧佢哋喺芸芸眾多嘅幾百幅作品當中脫穎而出。而成個比賽嘅過程咧，我哋都係由專業嘅評審團為我哋選出嘅，包括就係香港著名印象派油畫家錢迪麗小姐、香港動物協助治療學會創辦人 Eddie Sir， 仲有我哋其他嘅評審為我哋選出嘅。
Now we would like to present the prize to our winners. There are in total 3 first runner-ups and 1 champion. First runner-ups will be awarded a smartphone, LE1S, and 1-year LETV Club membership, while the champion will be awarded a 50-inch smart TV. Thanks LETV for the sponsorship. These 4 winners are really excellent because they stand out from lots of applicants. The whole process is monitored by the judge panel, including Delia Chin, the Hong Kong famous impressionist oil painter, and Eddie Sir, the founder of Hong Kong Institute of Animal Assisted Intervention, and other judges.
咁我哋接住落嚟咧，就頒發第1個嘅亞軍獎項。今日我哋好開心邀請到杜小喬小姐嚟為我哋做頒獎嘉賓嘅，有請小喬。
小喬 please。
我哋第1屆心福年度藝術比賽得獎嘅亞軍得獎者就係何嘉陽小姐，我哋有請你上台領獎。
First runner-up is Agnes Ho. Please come on stage.
多謝你。咁咧，佢係會獲得我哋嘅樂視提供嘅手提電話1部嘅。好年輕有為啊！佢啲畫真係好靚，係啦，嗰邊有佢得獎作品嘅。好，有請小喬
啲畫就
羅布嘅。
喺旁邊嘅啫，大家可以過去望望嘅陣
好，有
間。
請小喬羅布。介唔介意同你傾個偈啊？好。
好，咁小喬啊，咁我知道咧，其實你一直都好支持我哋新福慈善基金啦，因為為咗呢個活動咧，之前已經幫我哋拍咗個宣傳片啦，而今日亦都抽空嚟做我哋嘅頒獎嘉賓。咁我想問係咩原因令到你咁支持我哋咧？
慈善嘢係一定要支持嘅，同埋咧，我知道佢好推動年青人嘅心理健康啊，同埋咧佢都好支持咧，話俾我哋聽，我哋要保護動物啦，亦都有好多唔同嘅信息。咁當中因為我自己都有養寵物啊，我都好多謝佢哋話俾我聽，原來世界上有好多其他動物係被忽略㗎，同埋即係唔好被愛護啊。我自己有好彩啦，有隻貓同我一齊生活啦。咁可能其他動物未必有咁樣嘅，即係咁好彩有咗主人啦，或者有其他人愛護。咁呢個信息係需要宣揚㗎咯。
咁有冇啲咩趣事可以分享下同貓貓？
我隻貓貓叫蠢蠢啦，佢就同普通貓唔同嘅就係佢好熱情，一有朋友嚟我屋企咧，佢第一時間咧就會撲上去㗎啦。咁我諗呢一個係因為我諗佢係好信佢嘅主人咯，即係好信人同人嘅關係啊。但係真係要有其他動物都要有被留意嘅時候啊。
係，好，唔該晒小喬。
多謝。
好，唔該晒小喬，可以落台下繼續欣賞我哋嘅頒獎典禮嘅。好，接住落嚟呢，我哋即刻頒發我哋第二個嘅亞軍啦。今日好開心邀請到 Eddie Sir 咧嚟為我哋做頒獎嘉賓嘅喎。而 Eddie Sir 咧係香港動物輔助治療學會嘅創辦人，佢哋希望透過動物輔助嘅治療活動同埋專業嘅學術研究，提升動物輔助治療活動嘅認受性，從而締造一個動物同埋人類平等共融、尊重生命嘅社會嘅。
Now we would like to present the prize for the other first runner-up. We are very happy to have invited Eddie Sir to be our guest of honor. He is the founder of Hong Kong Institute of Animal Assisted Intervention. They hope to enhance the qualification of animal-assisted intervention through professional and quality academic research, and so as to create a harmonious society with the equality enjoyed by human and animals. So Eddie Sir, please.
好，我哋有請 Eddie Sir 亦都帶埋佢嘅拍檔啊，淡定哥上嚟為我哋頒發第二個嘅亞軍獎項。第一屆心福年度藝術比賽第二亞軍得獎者吳慧晶，可以小姐有請你上台領獎。
Another first runner-up is Trinus Please come on stage.
淡定哥咧，佢自己都有呢個 Facebook 嘅喎，大家都可以上網睇下。
好乖喎，淡定哥。
好，再俾啲掌聲。好，恭喜晒！恭喜晒吳小姐，亦都想請 Eddie Sir 啦喎，唔該晒吳小姐。Eddie Sir 啊，不如同你傾下偈啦。你介唔介意咧，同我哋分享下一啲我知道虐待動物啊，或者一啲事情你有啲心得可以同我哋分享下㗎？
咁啊，其實可以講兩件事啦。一件事可能其實見到我拖住呢隻叫淡定啦，咁佢近時啲人叫佢淡定哥嘅，咁我成日費事叫阿哥，即係叫佢淡定。係啦，咁咧其實你見到可能佢係冇咗隻左眼啦。咁佢喺2013年咧，佢其實喺東涌街頭流浪嘅一隻流浪狗嚟㗎。咁當時佢隻左眼咧，其實係腫晒出嚟嘅。
係咩原因咧？
我哋查唔到，但係相信有機會係啲人叫做放養咧，因為有啲人養狗就唔係好負責任嘅，由佢周圍走啊。咁你見我哋其實喺呢個室內地方我都拖住條繩嘅，因為拖住條繩好緊要啦，冇俾走甩啦。咁但係可能嗰時係啲貨倉啊嗰啲咁啊，愛嚟看門口養嘅，咁變咗可能通街走咁啊打交整傷咗咁咯。咁啊，呢個係佢嘅好短古仔啦。咁啊，再有一個近啲嘅古仔就好慘嘅，不過希望冇影響大家心情。啱啱禮拜二咧，其實咧就有個朋友啦打俾我，喺附近嘅就係大角咀出邊咧，就有個人將隻狗咧就擺咗喺一個嗰啲狗行街嗰啲袋裏邊啦。咁啊劈咗喺垃圾桶嘅頂度嘅。咁但係當時嗰隻狗咧係重病嘅，已經係唔係好即係唔好精神㗎啦。咁拉尾就我朋友就拎咗去睇獸醫啦，即刻。咁但係個獸醫就喺出嚟睇到隻狗之前，隻狗已經過咗身啦。咁其實想講咩咧？就係話即係虐待咧，未必一定要我哋追住啲狗、貓狗打啊、踢佢啊。其實咧，我哋疏忽照顧佢啦，或者你養咗佢唔愛佢、唔理佢咧，都係一個精神嘅虐待嚟嘅。咁所以即係希望大家除咗唔好打、唔好鬧佢哋之外咧，都要照顧下啲動物嘅心理啦，同埋佢哋嘅情緒啦。咁啊，要同佢哋多啲出嚟做下一啲行山啊，或者出去郊外度舒緩下啦。咁對個人都有幫助嘅。
好，唔該晒 Eddie Sir，
thank you，
唔該晒。所以我哋都要好好愛惜我哋自己屋企嘅寵物啦，同埋見到街邊啲流浪狗咧，有啲人可能會虐待佢哋，我覺得係非常之痛心嘅。所以希望大家都會因為今次嘅畫展啦，或者可以繼續保護啲動物啦，唔好虐待佢哋。 好，咁我哋接住落嚟咧，就繼續頒發我哋第3個嘅亞軍獎項啦。今日好開心，我哋邀請到錢迪麗小姐咧做我哋嘅頒獎嘉賓嘅。
We are very happy to have invited Miss Delia Chen to be our guest of honor.
而錢小姐咧係
Ms. Chen has a strong experience in oil painting industry for more than 30 years. She is the president of Hong Kong Art Exchange Centre.
係，而錢小姐係香港非常著名嘅油畫家啦。咁咧，不如我哋邀請得獎者第3位亞軍嘅得獎者上嚟領獎啦。第一屆心福年度藝術比賽第3位亞軍就係許家慧小妹妹，我記得係小妹妹嚟嘅。有請你上台領獎。
First runner-up is Bonnie Hui. Please come on stage.
係啦。好，你俾啲掌聲啊！年紀少少，佢幅畫都好靚噶。我哋可以喺左邊睇到佢嘅作品嘅。好，唔該晒，唔該晒，許妹妹係啦。阿錢小姐啊，介唔介意我哋同你分享下一啲事情咧？
好。
好我知道錢小姐咧，亦都係我哋嘅評審之一啦。你對於今次嘅作品咧，你有冇啲好深刻嘅事情想同我哋分享下？
都有嘅，因為我以前咧都做過好多次嘅。咁今次咧就係特別係即係中小學嗰啲學生啦。
係。
咁有咁多人參加咧，就真係好，真係都好難得。同埋啱啱嗰個時候又唔係放假，又唔係咩啊？咁同埋有好多嘅作品咧，即係佢裏邊係即係好有心思嘅。有啲未必係畫到一隻狗啊、一隻貓啊咁樣，但係佢係畫一啲關於呢啲嘢，你一睇就可以諗到你係即係要停止虐待嘅，要尊重呢個生命。
係，所
以我都覺得好感動。雖然就嗰日都睇咗好耐。
難唔難揀啊啲畫？
好難揀啊，同埋眼都花埋。
講下咧，你揀到得獎啦，你覺得邊幾幅佢哋咧係憑咩角度去揀呢幾幅畫攞獎嘅咧？
通常我哋咧即係一般嘅評審咧，都係構圖啊、顏色啊、同埋係光暗啊、各方面嗰啲咁嘅構造啊，嗰幅畫一望上去咧，直覺靚唔靚啊咁樣。係。但係呢一個咧有個主題啊嘛。係。咁所以咧就要加埋呢個主題咯。係，我哋尊重生命，杜絕虐待啊。係啦，杜絕虐待，所以咧就要再更加多花啲嘅時間同埋心思。咁有好多都好靚嘅，嗰啲顏色好靚，都估唔到啲細路仔細路女咧可以畫到咁好，同埋咁好心思同埋。嗰個心地啊，好好啊！係啊，我覺得個心地好，愛護動物嘅咧，或者愛護小動物咧，一般呢啲人都唔會係壞人，
有愛心啦。係啊，
好心地啊，係啊。好啊。咁所以好值得你哋呢個主辦呢個單位咧，都好值得。
係。好，咁多謝晒錢小姐為我哋分享，亦都做我哋今次畫展嘅評審。多謝晒，唔該晒，可以台下就座。好。咁接住落嚟咧，我哋去到今日最後一個獎項要頒發啦，就係我哋嘅總冠軍啊，會由我哋心福慈善創辦人之一嘅黃旭琪小姐上台頒發。
Let's welcome the founder of Sanfa, Gigi Wong, please.
而我哋第一屆心福年度藝術比賽嘅總冠軍就係，俾啲掌聲啊，黃嘉欣小姐，我哋有請，黃欣嘉，唔好意思啊，黃欣嘉小姐，係有請你上台領獎。
The overall champion is Miss Wang Yanka. Please come on stage.
佢得到我哋嘅總冠軍嘅，亦都攞到我哋由 Sanfa 送出嘅50寸智能大電視一部啊！你可以換電視啦 ，OK。好，Gigi 啊，不如你都同我哋講下今次呢個活動。你真係有份出心出力去負責策劃啊、籌備啊，有冇啲説話想同我哋分享下呢？
好啊，首先咧，我想同大家分享下咧，就係今次呢個活動咧，我哋總共收到好幾百幅作品嘅，咁而且咧每一幅作品嘅水平係非常高嘅，咁大家都可以見到啦，無論畫工啊、顏色啊、構圖各方面都係非常之高水平，咁所以好似我哋錢小姐，咁仲有Eddie Sir 咁樣咧，大家都係好用心、好辛苦咁樣去選出得獎嘅作品嘅。咁至於呢一幅冠軍作品呢，我就真係想特別講一講嘅。咁因為我哋收到好多嘅作品呢，都會話到俾人聽要尊重生命啦，要愛護動物，或者話俾人聽呢啲動物係點樣俾人受到虐待咁樣。咁但係呢，好多人呢係好難話俾人聽你點樣去杜絕虐待呢樣嘢。即係你話俾人聽隻動物點俾人受虐待係容易啊，但係點樣去杜絕呢？咁反而呢一幅冠軍作品呢，佢就可以透過一個拼圖嘅方式呢，去話俾人聽，我哋應該杜絕虐待嘅。佢就喺個拼圖嘅底嗰度呢，其實係講緊一啲被虐待嘅情況啦。然後呢，喺外面呢，就將一家人好溫馨嘅一家人，包括佢哋嘅小動物嘅家人啦，咁就一齊將個拼圖呢冚住佢。咁冚住佢呢，上面嘅畫呢，就係大家愛護動物嘅情況。咁佢透過好有層次嘅一個作品呢，就將呢一個杜絕虐待嘅信息帶俾大家。咁所以我哋都覺得呢，佢得冠軍呢係實至名歸嘅。咁除此之外呢，我哋呢一個心福年度藝術大賽，亦都係我哋第一個最大型嘅活動啦。咁成個活動呢，歷時總共係7個月㗎。咁喺呢7個月之中，咁大家都可以估到我哋要做好多嘢啦，好辛苦啦。咁亦都好想借呢個機會呢，係好多謝大家支持我哋。咁多謝我哋所有明星啦，去支持我哋，為我哋包括拍一個短片去宣傳呢件事啦，包括到場嘅明星為我哋支持啦，包括我哋嘅評審嘉賓啦，咁仲有更重要嘅呢，其實係包括我哋 SAMFA 成個團隊嘅。因為我哋 SAMFA 成個團隊呢，大家都係義工嚟㗎，大家都係日頭要返工或者返學，咁然後呢，就喺得閒嘅時間，可能唔去玩啊，食少啲飯啊咁樣，走過嚟幫我哋一齊去籌備成個活動，咁所以我係真係好真心多謝大家咯。咁at the same time, I would also like to thank our Thai guests, especially Mr. Kanton, our Thai consulate in Hong Kong, and our Dara Daily team and the DPU Maps team who come to participate in this award. Thank you very much for your support. 咁喺度再次多謝大家嘅支持，冇你哋咧，我哋係唔會成事嘅。多謝。
好，唔該晒支持。
Thank you, Gigi. Please be seated.
台下走作。咁咧。我哋不如借呢個機會宣傳我哋 SAMFA 接住落嚟活動啊！好。我哋今年咧年度比賽展覽成功舉辦咧，都係全賴大家嘅支持啦。我哋機構雖然成立咗1年啫，但係我哋有好多嘅大計喺嚟緊1年想舉辦嘅。而我哋 SAMFA 咧就會同 Brands 合作啦，佢係一個擁有一個大型跳彈床嘅場地方嚟嘅。咁咧我哋會舉辦一啲大型嘅閃避球活動啦，同邀請唔同嘅企業啊。親子學校去參與嘅，希望佢哋可以喺課餘同埋工作之外抒發佢哋各種嘅壓力。咁我哋亦都好認為咧，運動啊係一個好好嘅舒壓方式嚟㗎。
Thanks everyone for your support. There are a few upcoming events and we would like to invite everyone to join. SAMFA will cooperate with Bounce, which is a huge trampoline park in Kowloon Bay. We will be organizing a large-scale dodgeball event and it is open for different organizations, schools, or families to join. We hope they can relax themselves through sports in their leisure time. At the same time, it is a good way to foster a happy relationship with friends and families.
咁當然啦，我哋 SAMFA 咧亦都人才輩出嘅喎。我哋即將咧會舉辦一啲藝術嘅工作坊啊，例如自己動手製咗一啲木製嘅水晶戒指，送俾人哋做禮物或者自己用都冇問題嘅喎。而呢個工作坊咧就由我哋心福嘅活動副總裁龍振邦先生親自教授嘅。我哋亦都相信咧藝術係一個好好抒發壓力嘅渠道。咁咧大家想知多啲詳情咧，就上我哋嘅 SAMFA 嘅 Facebook 咧睇我哋動向啦，咁就會知道更加多嘅工作坊嘅詳情嘅。
We will also be organizing different art workshops. For example, make a wooden crystal rain by yourself. It would be a great present for your friends. The workshop is taught by SAMFA's Vice President, Mr. Nathan Long. We believe art is a medium for us to relax. Stay tuned to our Facebook event and join with your friends and families.
咁咧 SAMFA 咧亦都好有遠見嘅喎，我哋咧即將會推出一個 SAMFA 嘅 TV 頻道啦。SAMFA TV 咧係以一個媒體作為媒介，希望透過我哋嘅其實我哋 SENPHA 咧係有6個唔同嘅核心思想嘅喎。S 咧就代表運動啦，我哋繼續落去啦，教育、自然、心靈、健康、藝術，希望咧推廣香港人關注自己嘅心理健康啦，舒緩自己一啲心理嘅壓力啦。 而我哋呢個 Sanfa 嘅 TV 咧就會喺 Facebook 或者 YouTube 咧等嘅網絡平台播放一啲短片嘅喎。咁而我哋今日新鮮滾熱辣咧就整咗條短片。
Apart from this, Sanfa will also set up a TV channel, which we will use media as the medium. Through Sanfa's 6 core elements as shown on the board, which are sport, education, nature, psychology, health, and art. We hope to motivate Hong Kong people to care more about their psychological health. We will regularly update and upload our self-production videos to our Facebook page and YouTube. So please enjoy our first video.
係我哋 Sanfa TV 第一條短片，其實咧嗰度有部電視機嘅，係啦，我哋會即將咧播放我哋第一條片。咁嗰條片嘅名咧就叫做你有冇病？係啊，咁我哋可以睇下嗰條片啦，1分鐘嘅。好，大家係咪覺得好好睇咧？如果想繼續睇咧，係可以睇我哋嘅Facebook 嘅 Sanfa 嗰度咧，可以再次瀏覽嘅。而今次嘅短片咧，亦都多謝 Mars Studio 為我哋剪輯同拍攝嘅。我哋亦都多謝 Mars Studio， 俾啲掌聲佢。好，咁咧我哋今日嘅典禮咧就嚟到尾聲啦。不過咧，我哋都想請所有嘅嘉賓啦、得獎者咧上嚟台前咧。好。係啊，為我哋影張相先嘅，係啦，我哋有請我哋嘅嘉賓得獎者。好，咁我哋咧亦都有啲機構咧想鳴謝嘅。
咁我哋想特別鳴謝 Mars Studio 啦、Hotbase、Big Big Air、LETV、Daily Maps from Thailand， 同埋我哋所有 Sanfa 嘅義工，咁都好多謝你哋嘅。咁另外咧，其實我哋喺左手邊咧就會有好多我哋得獎嘅作品啦。咁頭4幅咧就係攞頭3幅咧就係攞頭4幅係 winner 啦。咁跟住其他嗰啲咧就係一啲優異作品嚟嘅，係啦。咁另外喺嗰邊咧，大家完咗呢個 event 咧都可以去嗰邊玩一個遊戲啦，一個 coin funnel， 係啦。咁就係啦，咁就邀請所有頒獎嘉賓。
得獎者
都上嚟，
同埋我哋 Sanfa 嘅成員都幫我哋一齊，好，係一齊影張相啊！係啊 ，take the photos。
同埋得獎者都可以上嚟喎。
4位得獎者，係啦。
Thai consulate.
He left or?
Thai consulate.
好，我哋仲要邀請咧。
May now invite Thai consulate Mr. Kanton to come on stage to have a group photo, please.
คุณขันทองครับเชิญข้างบนนี่ครับ
好，有請。好，為我哋影一張大合照嘅。好多謝佢哋今日嚟到我哋呢個場地支持我哋，我哋再俾一次熱烈嘅掌聲，多謝佢哋。仲有4位年紀輕輕嘅得獎者啊！好，咁我哋接住落嚟下一張咧，嘉賓請留步啊！我哋請Sanfa 嘅成員或者有份幫手嘅都可以上嚟同我哋一齊影張相。我哋可能分佈均勻啲好啲，係啊，有啲嚟啲右手邊，係啊。係啊，一齊上嚟影張相啊！好，我哋1、2、3笑。好，我哋做一個我哋今次嘅主題咧有一個尊重生命導致有道，我哋一齊打出一個交叉嘅手勢啊！好，唔該晒咁多位，唔該晒，唔該晒，大家落台下就座，唔該晒。好，今日咧我哋嘅
请下来是什么？你们还没有，就請那個泰國的明星。
哦，好啊
OK。
好啊。咁咧，我哋亦都請泰國嘅明星一齊上嚟同我哋影張相啊，遠赴而嚟嘅。
Let's invite the celebrities from Thailand also come onto the stage, and we can take a group photo.
ครับจากแมทครับเชิญทั้งบนเลยครับจะคนไทยทุกคนครับยินดีครับยินดีต้อนรับครับ
其實今日我哋個活動就
โจ
嚟
กับ
到
ซัง
尾
อยู่
聲
ไหน
啦。
เอ่ยครับเชิญเลยครับโอเคครับคนนี้คนดังมากนะครับอยู่ในเมืองไทย ผมอยากจะให้คุณซังมาแนะนำหน่อยเป็นภาษาอังกฤษครับเราอุตส่าห์พาตลาดไทยเราเก่งๆที่มาโชว์ให้ในคนฮ่องกงรู้ขอเชิญคุณซันด้วยครับคุณซันอยู่ไหนเอ่ยขอเสียงตบมือให้คุณซัน Welcome คุณซัน
由泰國嚟香港出席我哋呢一個第一屆嘅心腹。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Thailand. I'm the leader of this group from Thailand, like including the businessmen, celebrities, and also stars. So this is the first one. Kun Beam Tran Yu, please give him a round of applause. He is an actor, sometimes singer, and also he's like a car racer also. Yeah, and the other person is Kun Jip,นะคะคุณจิ๊บปกฉัด Yeah, she's also an actress.
俾熱烈掌聲。
Famous one in Thailand, คุณจิ๊บนะคะ And also like a lot of celebrities here. Also a DJ. Please welcome คุณป้อนนะคะคุณป้อนลีลาสุนทรวิเนศ She's the daughter of one of the most famous TV hosts in Thailand. And also a lot of celebrities. Welcome คุณประนัยพรประภา He owns like 5 businesses and also being like CEO in Thailand, very famous. คุณประนัยอยู่ไหนคะ
咁佢哋呢幾位明星咧，咁有啲係歌手啦，有啲係演員咁樣。咁今日特登嚟喺泰國嚟到香港出席。
Yeah, actually I cannot like pronounce the names like all of them because we are here for 40 people. So let me call like one by one, just the name, not surnames, okay? Please welcome คุณชาชานะคะคุณชาชา คุณชาชา also TV host and also คุณ Beam's wife. คุณเล็กยงสกุล she owns รื่นรม by เล็ก is a website and also doing personal styling, right? And she's one of the most famous celebrities in Thailand. And then คุณฮิมนะคะคุณฮิมอิสริยะคูหาเปรมกิจ He also owns Royal Motors, like import supercars and also like doing consumer product. And คุณนิกนะคะคุณนิกสุวดี She's one of the board of directors of Thonburi Hospital Group and a lot คุณกอล์ฟนะคะ He's a CEO of G Motive producing a lot of TV shows, movies and graphic animations. And there's so many people. คุณฤทธิ์นะคะคุณฤทธิ์นฤทธิ์วิทยาวรการ If I don't remember his last name like wrong คุณฤทธิ์ where are you Okay and the other people if I don't remember like all the name please come to the stage and then we can take a picture together alright คุณวิวand คุณนุ้ย and others like yeah can we squeeze
咁好多謝咁多位
Sorry that I kind of like do it wrong
泰國影視界嘅明星啦，有一啲 CEO 咁樣嚟撐場嘅今日。
Yeah, so our group is called MAPS. MAPS is the abbreviation of Media Appreciation and Product Service Strategy. So it's like a short course that we gather up businessmen, celebrities, and stars in Thailand to learn more about branding and media strategies. So yeah, the other people of MAPS, please come to the stage and then we can take a group picture together. Please, Kun Jo and other พี่จ๋าย please, and Yuki too. Sorry.
คุณโจครับหายไปเลย
Okay.
Any celebrities from Thailand, please come on the stage and we can have a group photo here. So we can take a group photo here. 咁佢哋係一個叫 MAPS 嘅團隊啦，咁佢哋當中其實有一啲泰國嚟嘅明星啦，有一啲商人組成嘅，咁佢哋去負責例如佢哋嘅 role 咧，有評鑑一啲媒體咁樣啦。
Gigi also please come up because he is the founder of Sanfa. Yep.
Okay, let's do some action. Like hey. Okay. Everyone say hey.
Thank you.
Hi, thanks
Thank
so
you very
much.
much. Thank you for a warm welcome
ขอบ
for
คุณ
us
มากครับ
here.
ทุกท่าน
Thank you.
Thank you。咁今日嘅節目咧就嚟到呢度啦。係咁，好多謝大家嘅參與。
希望咧下年我哋會舉辦第2屆嘅心福年度藝術比賽頒獎嘅嗰陣時，可以再見到你哋。今日我哋嘅時間去到呢度，多謝大家。
大家可以留步，可能去下我哋台前影相啊，或者睇下我哋喺12樓同埋4樓嘅畫展。咁所有其實登出嘅都係一啲優秀作品啦，一係優異獎啦，或者係頭3名咁樣嘅。
我哋仲有個 con funnel 㗎，入啲銀仔咧就會睇到一個好得意、好靚嘅旋轉圖案俾你睇到㗎啦，可以試下玩下嗰個 con funnel 嘅。多謝大家今日出席我哋呢一個頒獎典禮，多謝晒。
Thank you。
多謝晒。